Hi, I'm Mr. Harris, and this is Practice With Me, where we get better together. Today we're going to practice reading the notes on the treble clef staff, okay? Reading the notes on the treble clef staff, both the lines and the spaces, all right? First of all, we have what we call the treble clef. That is this sign right here in the beginning. There are different types of clefs, but for today, we're going to focus on this one, which again is called the treble clef, okay? Now, in music, we have lines and spaces, okay? Just like your hand, actually. We have 5 lines, just like you have 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4 spaces, just like your hand again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. Okay? Now, what we do is we have a note on every single line and every single space. And we need to remember what those notes are when we're playing various instruments. Okay? So how we remember them? For the lines, we have a sentence. The sentence we're going to use is every good boy does fine. Again, every good boy does fine. Now, it does not have to be the sentence. There are other ones. Every good burger deserves fries. Every good bird does fly. Elephants got big, dirty feet. Every good boy deserves fudge. You can use any of those above sentences as long as the first letter of each of those words matches up with these. Because how we use the sentence is we take the first letter of each word, and that's what's on the line. On line number 1, the word is every. The first letter of every is E. So E is on line 1. The next word is good on line 2. The first letter of good is G. So G is on line 2. The next one is boy. The first letter of boy is B. B for line 3. Does. D for line 4. And F for the word fine. Okay? So that's how we do the lines. We take the first letter of each word. Now for the spaces, instead of a sentence, we just have a word, which makes it even easier. The word is face. And we take each of the letters in the word face and we put them on a different space. We always start from the bottom. F is on space number 1. A is on space number 2. C is on space number 3. And E is on space number 4. Okay, again, E is on space number 4. All right? Now, let's practice very quickly. Now, this note right here is on a line, okay? I'm going to show you how to do this in steps, but as we get in later videos, we'll take away some of those steps so we can get the note reading that much quicker, okay? So first what you want to do is you want to determine if the note is on a line or a space, okay? This note right here, line or space, let's look. It's on a line. You can see the line going through it. So we know this note is on a line. If it's on a space, you'll see no line going through the note, and it'll be, as you can see, you'll have a line on top or on the bottom, okay? A line on top or on the bottom, or again, you could have both, okay? Now, let's take a look. This is on a line. What line number is it on? Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go to our lines over here, line 4. The word is does. The first letter of does is D. Therefore, this note right here would be D. Okay? Again, that note would be a D. Why? First of all, it's on a line. So we know we look at this sentence. Next, it is on line number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we go to line 4, we look at the word, and we take the first letter of the word, which is D. Okay, let's do the next one. This one, instead of being on a line, it's on a space. What space is it on? 1, 2. It's on space 2, so we go to our spaces. 1, 2. And the letter in space 2 is A. So this note right here would be an A. Okay? Next, we have this note right here. Let's Let's see, line or space? It's on a line. What line number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Line 5. We go over to line 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The word is find, and we take the first letter of find, which is F. And last but not least, we have this note right here, which is on a space. What space number? 1, 2, 3, or 4. I'll give you a second to think about it. Again, what space number is this one on? 1, 2, 3, or 4. Say it to yourself. All right, give you a few seconds. This note is on space number 1, space 1. So we go over to space number 1, and the note is F. So that note right there would be an F, okay? What I want you to remember is this saying right here. If it's on a line used, every good boy does fine. If it's on a space, use face. One more time. If it's on a line used, every good boy does fine. If it's on a space, use face. Okay? And I can't wait to show you in our next video how we're going to find the notes below and above the treble clef staff. Thanks for watching Practice with me, and see you later. Have a great day.